Hello and welcome to our series on English expressions with the Kaboons. The reactions are overwhelming. Apparently there was a need for a special site on language learning. It all started with the typical English expressions that are sometimes difficult to remember. But coupling such an expression to Kaboon drawings makes learning easy. As before, you will see several images with the Kaboons indicating an expression in each. You'll then have a couple of seconds to guess the expression. After that, the answer will appear, and I will discuss the meaning of the expression and give some examples. Let's take a look at our first image of this series. The expression we see here is silence is golden. It means that it is often better to be silent than to speak. For example, you could say, Mark asked Barbara to tell him how the film ended, but she refused. She was taught that silence is golden. And another example, my grandmother knew about the family secret, but decided that silence is golden. Otherwise, more people would be hurt. On to our next expression. The expression in this image is money doesn't grow on trees. It used to say that it can be hard to earn money, so you have to be careful when you spend it. Let's look at our two example sentences. First example, when I was young, my father always warned me to be careful with my pocket money because money doesn't grow on trees. Second example, if I were you, I would not buy that expensive car. The cheaper one is good too, and money doesn't grow on trees. It's time for our third and final expression of this series. Can you guess this one? This expression is easy come, easy go. It's especially used about money and means that if you get it easily, it's also lost easily. For example, first I won 200 euros at the casino, but I lost it almost immediately in the next game. You know what they say, easy come, easy go. Second example, Frank was not worried about the loss of his job. He knows a lot of people and believes it's easy come, easy go, and that he'll have a new job very soon. That's the end of this series. Thank you for watching. Two final important remarks, as always. First, don't forget to subscribe to our English Expressions series. Second, please leave comments. For example, perhaps you have other good examples, or perhaps you know the equivalent expressions in, for instance, French or Spanish, or maybe even Chinese. And we love to hear how you teach expressions. All comments are welcome. And please inform your colleagues about this new series with Kaboons and use the link below to see what our shop has to offer. And don't forget the new possibility for uploading your own Kaboons drawings. Kaboons are simple characters. You can easily copy the basic characters in order to make your own Kaboons. And I'm sure that you or the children at school are able to make magnificent Kaboons. Furthermore, we enjoy drawings of expressions from every language. We are also happy with your response regarding the didactics of language learning. Again, if you have interesting viewpoints on the didactics of language learning, please let us know. Finally, here's our new image. We will tell you what this expression means next time.